What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homegrown Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you what is one of the easiest online businesses to start for beginners. Now, I create a lot of videos here, especially here on this channel, and I talk about more advanced techniques, advanced strategies, and that's great. But for you guys that are new, for you guys that are beginners, wanting to start your first, maybe second online business, what's the easiest way to do that? That's what I want to discuss in today's video, and I want to give you the exact blueprint I'm currently using and that I teach a lot of my students that works extremely well. So if you're ready, let's go. Alright guys, here's what you need to know about this strategy. First off, it's free, okay? I'm going to show you 2 websites you can use that are absolutely free. The next thing, I'm going to show you how to put it all together. I'm going to show you the exact page I'm currently using to make money from this strategy. Okay, I'm going to show you all that. So if you have any questions, you just got to ask your questions down in the comment section below and I'll help you out there. Also, what I'm going to show you today is something called CPA marketing. That stands for cost per action. What that means is somebody comes in and they do some type of action. For example, click on a website, submit a survey, submit their email address. Those are actions that you can get paid on. And that's what I want to show you today. And if you have any questions, again, ask your questions down in the comment section below. Or you can use the link, okay, down in the description box. That link, it will give you a course. It's a $12.95 course. It's called the CPA Project, which will help you and answer all your questions as well. So let's get into it. Alright, so here's what I want to show you, and I think this is an incredible opportunity. This website is called Quora.com. You can see it right here. Okay? This is a website I use all the time to answer different questions for people. All we're doing is we're going to answer questions. Okay? Now, here's what you need to understand. Answering the questions is not going to pay you any money. It's going to give you $0. Put nothing in your bank account. But what will actually pay you some money is a website called Max Bounty. You can see it right here, okay? You can see it right here. This is Max Bounty. What Max Bounty does and allows us to do is go and find these different offers, these different campaigns, and promote them for them. Now, here's the cool part, and this is what you need to understand, is I go after, and once you create a Max Bounty account, okay, just go to maxbounty.com, you can see it right there. Once you have an account, all you do is you come in, click search campaigns, come up here, you're going to click email submits right here and hit search. I already did that to save time on this video, and it brought up all these different campaigns that allow us to promote them, but they're going to pay us per lead. This is what CPA marketing is all about, cost per action, okay? So right here, and I'm going to show you one, okay? The one that I'm currently using right now, and I'll show you the exact page, very simple, show you the process behind it, but the one that I'm using right now, it is this one right here, find unclaimed assets, okay? I get paid $3.50 per lead. You can see it right here. So what this allows us to do is I can go in and I can promote this. But the best part with this is I get paid $3.50 for somebody just to put in their email address. Okay? And let's see, let me show you the exact page. Where is it? Well, I can just show you the picture of it. So this is what it actually is, alright? So this right here, okay, this is the Find Unclaimed Assets page. This right here on Max Bounty. I get paid $3.50 per lead, up to 50 per day. Okay, that's my cap. Well, you're probably wondering, well, how do I get people to this? That's where Quora comes in. Okay, so we're gonna start putting it together. So I'm taking Quora, I'm taking Max Bounty, and okay, so here it is. Here's Max Bounty, and I'm sending those people from Quora over to Max Bounty to find their unclaimed assets. Are you owed money? Search, you know, they put their name, email address, put their first name, last name, email address, hit submit, and I think it takes them to one other page, I'm not sure, just to confirm, and once they're there, boom, you get $3.50, okay? Here's something I'm doing a little bit differently that you probably, as a beginner, it's something that you probably aren't going to want to do, but I highly recommend it, is I am actually sending people to this page, okay? This is just a page that I've created through Builderall, okay? Builderall is an incredible platform. It allows you to create unlimited websites, unlimited pages, and you can send people to wherever you want to, collect their name, email address, you can sell stuff, whatever. This is all I'm doing. A simple one-page landing page right here. Okay, did you know money could be waiting for you? See if you are owed. Millions of dollars are constantly sitting in accounts waiting to be paid out to the rightful owner, and it could be yours. From credit card overpayments to undelivered rebates, money is right around the corner. Put your name, email address, hit submit, and then from there, I send them emails. I think it's like every 2 or 3 days. I send them an email just to make sure they actually went through to this page and put in their name, email address, and followed through with it. That way I can get $3.50 from them every single person that does this. Okay? Now here's what you need to know. Alright, so now that you understand the process, how do we go about getting somebody from not knowing what's out there to actually going in and putting in their information, their name and email address, hitting submit, and going through the steps so that you can get paid? It's actually pretty simple. So I'm here on Quora.com. I'm come up here to search, and so you want to actually have an account here on Quora. I'm not going to answer the questions here on this video simply because I wouldn't do it on my Homemade Entrepreneur account, but I'd come here and I'd type in, let's say need money, okay? Or save money. I want to find a topic. Saving money and being thrifty, personal savings, money savings. I'm going to go to personal savings. Then I'm going to click answer. Okay? What is the easiest and best way to make money? I could come in here and I could answer this question. And I could say, in my opinion, the best and easiest way to save money is to stop eating out and also get any of your unclaimed assets. Unclaimed assets that you are owed. If you don't know what an unclaimed asset is, it is essentially where you get paid money that you are owed from other people / companies. You can see more about that here. Then add my link here. Okay? That's all I do. And then I'd hit submit. It's that simple. All you're doing is answering questions. People are asking these questions. Why? Because they want to know. They want to know what is the easiest and best way to make money. If you actually have an answer for that, a quality answer, go ahead and put it in. Because I guarantee you, people that are looking for money, this is a great way to do it. It's free money. It's yours. You don't got to do anything other than put in your name, information, and then they will get back to you. They'll send you that check. Okay? I've done it multiple times. I probably received, upwards of hundreds of dollars, probably close to that $1,000 mark, just of unclaimed money that was owed to me from credit cards I've closed down, but there was still a payment made, or just different rebates that I never got back. There's so many things. So that's all I'm doing right here. Okay? So if you guys have any questions on this, okay, you can always ask me down in the comment section below. If you want to know more about CPA marketing, and not just this one way that I'm showing you, but doing it on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube and doing paid ads for it, that's what the CPA project is going to teach you. So if you have questions on that, okay, if you want to go a little bit deeper and go more, not just beginner free stuff, go and invest that $13. It's a one-time $13 fee. It gets you into the CPA project. I guarantee you, you're gonna love it. I've taken it and I have used some of the strategies to actually benefit and move my business forward. So if you have questions on that, you can always ask me. Again, ask any questions down in the comment section below. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.